boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story of the three little pigs this week, and I wonder if you've made houses for your three little pigs yet. What I thought might be fun to do today is to try a floating and sinking experiment using some of the natural materials that you might have collected to build your three little pigs houses. So we've got a tray of water here, and we've got our grass, which is meant to be the straw. We've got some sticks, we've got our bricks, and we've got two sheets here, one with to place our floating items and one to place the items that sink. So we should start with our straw, and let's see if that floats or if it sinks. I wonder what it will do. Let's pop it in. Oh, so that one definitely floats. It's obviously quite buoyant. Okay, now for the sticks. That's Little Pig's house number 2. Oh, is the stick going to float? Oh, yes it is. So the stick is buoyant, it's floating. Now for the house number 3, house of bricks. I'll just gently place that in. Oh, yeah, that definitely is sinking. That dropped right to the bottom. Okay, so this one goes on our sink. This one goes on float, as does the straw. So perhaps now we should try some other household items, things that you might have lying around in your house or garden. So we have a rugby ball, but we also have some little coins. I wonder which ones will sink and which ones will float. This could be interesting. So this is much bigger than the coins. Shall we pop them in together and see what happens? Okay, put the big ball in and the coins. Oh, so the big ball is buoyant, it's floating on the top, and the little coins, they are more dense and they've sunk all the way to the bottom. So we'll just collect them in and we'll put them over here. So the coins, they were dense and they sunk down to the bottom, but the ball, although it was bigger, it was buoyant and it floated. Let's try some other things. Here I've got my favourite cooking spoons. So we've got, they're both about the same size, roughly the same size. One is a wooden spoon, the other one is a metal one. I wonder what will happen. So we'll put these in. What do you think could happen here? Let's put them in at the same time. Oh, the wooden one is buoyant and it's floating, and the metal one is dense and it's sunk down to the bottom. So we put the metal one in the sink section and the wooden one for float. So perhaps you could try this experiment at home, boys and girls. Have some fun with it outside even. Collect leaves or feathers, anything you find in the garden, or try some other toys that you've got at home. See if any of these items could float or sink. There we are. I hope you have fun with that activity at home. Bye bye for now.